Howdy everyone. So I'm going to show you how to install the Office 365 suite of software on your computer. This will work on Windows or Mac. And basically, as a student of BYU Idaho, as long as you have BYU Idaho credentials, you'll be able to log in and download the software. And it's the full professional version of the software, which has all the features that you need for any of the classes that you may have. So just open up a browser. I'm going to open up Firefox, but you can use Chrome if you would like. And Firefox is installing an update for me, so this will take just a second. And once it comes up, we're going to go to a website. And we're going to go to office.com. And once that loads, it's going to ask me to sign in. So there's a little button here that says sign in. Select that button there. And just put in your email address. So, your BYUI email address. So once you do that, it'll take you to the BYUI login after a few seconds. And I will log in. And the system's doing what it should be doing. It's asking me to authenticate using our Duo security. So I'm just waiting for it to come down through my phone. I'll approve that. You may or may not have to go through that step. And you'll be brought to the Office 365 portal. There's options for Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel. There's a little button up here on the near the top right. It says Install Office. If you click on that, it'll give you a drop down, and you can do the Office 365 apps, or you can go to other install options, and I'll click on that just to show you what that portal looks like. So once that comes up, it'll show me the software that I can install. So I can install the full version of Office and just select Install Office. And then it'll go through all the setup options that you need. And then you'll have the full-blown version of Office on your computer. Hopefully this helps. Take care.